Have you ever wondered what makes you, well, you? Is it your unique personality, the way you think, or the way you feel? Is it your bright smile, your contagious laugh that lights up a room? Or maybe it's your love for pizza? The joy you get from sharing a slice with friends? What about your brain? It's inside your head, working hard every single second, processing thoughts and emotions. Is that the key? Some people believe that we are just our brains, that our identity is tied to this organ. They think everything about us, our thoughts, feelings, and actions, comes from this amazing organ. But is it really that simple? Let's dive in and explore this fascinating question together. Could there be more to us than just our brain's activity? Are we just a bunch of neurons firing, or is there something more? Perhaps our experiences, memories, and relationships play a part too. Stick with me, and let's find out. Together, we'll uncover the mysteries of what truly makes you, you. Your brain is like a supercomputer, but way cooler. It's the most complex organ in your body, capable of processing an incredible amount of information every second. It controls everything you do, from breathing and blinking, which are automatic functions you don't even have to think about, to solving complex math problems and dreaming up fantastical stories that take you to other worlds. It's made up of billions of tiny cells called neurons that send messages to each other at lightning speed, creating a vast network of communication. These messages help you experience the world around you, allowing you to touch, taste, see, hear, and smell everything in your environment. They allow you to learn new things, remember important events from your past, and even perform complex tasks like riding a bike, which requires balance and coordination. Your brain is constantly changing and growing, forming new connections every time you learn or experience something new, adapting to new information and challenges. It's truly remarkable, isn't it? The brain's ability to adapt and evolve is what makes humans so unique. But does that mean it's all there is to you? Let's keep exploring the wonders of your amazing brain and discover more about what makes you, you. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding the brain is consciousness. Consciousness is what makes you aware of yourself and the world around you. It's what allows you to feel happy, sad, or excited. A scientist named Dr. Christoph Koch has dedicated his life to understanding consciousness. He believes that it's a fundamental property of the universe, like gravity or electricity. But how does a bunch of cells create something as amazing as consciousness? That's a question scientists are still trying to answer. It's a real head-scratcher. So, while our brains are incredible, maybe there's something more to this whole being you thing. Section 4. Shaping ourselves. While our brains are amazing, we're not just born with a fixed personality. Dr. Carol Dweck, another brilliant scientist, discovered that our experiences play a huge role in shaping who we are. Think about it. You learn new things every day, from reading books to interacting with friends and family. These experiences change your brain by creating new connections between neurons. This means you're constantly growing and evolving, becoming a little bit different every single day. So while our brains are the control center, our environment and experiences are the artists that help shape the masterpiece of you. Section 5. Brains versus computers. This is a fascinating topic that delves into the core of what makes us human and what defines artificial intelligence. Some people compare the brain to a computer, but are they really the same? While both can process information, the way they do it is fundamentally different. Dr. John Searle, a renowned philosopher, argues that there's a big difference. He emphasizes that the brain's ability to understand and generate meaning is unique. Computers can follow instructions and process information at incredible speeds, but they don't truly understand what they're doing. They lack comprehension and awareness. They don't feel emotions or have subjective experiences like humans do. Emotions are a complex interplay of our biology and consciousness. For example, a computer can recognize a picture of a cat, but it doesn't know the joy of petting a purring cat. It can identify patterns, but can't experience them. Or the feeling of soft fur under your hand. This tactile sensation is something uniquely human, tied to our sensory and emotional experiences. It's missing that special something that makes us human. Our ability to connect, feel, and understand goes beyond mere data processing. It seems there's a certain spark in us that computers just haven't been able to replicate, yet. This spark is what drives our creativity, empathy, and deeper understanding of the world around us.